save the untitled video like this, and we'll call this upload, and we're going to save it to the desktop. Now that we've saved it to the desktop, we can quit the QuickTime player, and here it is right here. So the video was created successfully. We'll go to here, which is our YouTube channel. It's showing only 2 videos here, and we'll go to upload video, the little plus sign with the camera icon, upload video. Select the file, go to the desktop, and here's the screencast upload. So down here shows the process. This is what we should have seen from within QuickTime, but we did not see it. So this is my preferred method of doing. I would not, even in the past, I have never uploaded through the app. I just save a file, and then once you have the file, just upload it directly, just like we just did. So this, next, yes, these are the screens we do not get with the QuickTime Player app when we're uploading through the app. Next, make it public. You can also make it unlisted, but that could end up with problems. Make it public. That's the preferred method of doing it. Publish it. Okay, so it's processing. So you can close this while it's processing. And the video is right there. You can click on it. The URL for the video has already been created. You can copy the URL, go to your Haiku page. I'm just going to use this temporarily as a page. Screencasting page, add a content block. We're going to add a YouTube content block. We're going to do a Command V, and we're going to do in a pop-up. Next. So this is the sample screencast upload. You can put a description in here and save. And so here is the video. If we click on it, we're taken to YouTube, and we can play it there. And we can also play it in YouTube or play it in full screen. Okay, and we're recording right now, so we'll just bring up a browser just to